Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today I am going to show you how I build / make my favorite lashes. They're pretty easy to do. All you're going to need is a pack of cheap Chinatown lashes, a very basic one. I would prefer you use one that you're comfortable with using the band, so the lash band. And then you're also going to use some very fluffy lashes. I'm going to show you how to make these 3 different styles. The top one being the clean one without any add-ons. You're going to need a tweezer, a nail scissor, something that can cut very small strings, some lash glue. You can use either black or see-through glue. And then you're going to use your plain lashes. And then you're also going to use a pair of very dramatic lashes. These are the ones that you're going to be cutting up. Together, these lashes cost me less than 60 Rand. So it's pretty cheap. And then something to decant some glue on. So first look, this is the one that took the longest. I am used to doing eyelash extensions on humans, so this was pretty easy to me. It wasn't annoying, but I'm just making these slightly more wispy by adding some hairs on specific areas. This is a fast forward because this took me about 15 minutes to build just a slightly more fluffy lash. This is something I would wear daily because it's not as hard, slightly more whimsy. Then moving on to the next one, this is the cat eye. So you can see to the left of the screen there's a little black cluster of lashes. So one of those is a piece, and I'm cutting one of those pieces into 3 sections. This is going to help build a slightly more natural look. For the cat eye effect, as you can see the lashes at the top of the screen, those are the ones that I've used most recently. They have lashes focused mostly on the outer half of the eye. That's why I'm cutting up these smaller pieces. So I'm going to start off with placing a fluffy piece on the outside of the eye. I do cut my lashes shorter. As you can see, the little pack, those lashes are very long, so please try and cut the lashes before you start working. So you're working with 3 sections, and then after every big section you put in a smaller section to just fill in the gap. So you can see the natural lash is quite long. Try and work with both sides at the same time. As you can see, I finished this one and then it was a bit wonky because I didn't measure them according to each other. Here's for the most voluminous one. So I cut bigger chunks, and I actually did the effort and took the time to map them out because I want them to be even. So I used 4 chunks on the side, and then I'm gonna fill the gaps with smaller chunks, so you can cut one of the big ones into 3 pieces and use them to fill in the gaps. This is also just gonna give you not as bumpy, spiky look. It's going to be more of a gradient. So when I glue them down, I like to go outside, inside, outside, inside, just so that I can be sure that all of the lashes actually fit onto the lash strip. Otherwise you might just get to the inside and then everything looks a bit off. Something that would really help with choosing a lash style is Googling lash patterns for lash extensions. That should show you where you can put longer lashes and shorter lashes to get a specific effect or a specific look for a makeup look. When I have completed the strip, I like running some of the excess glue just on the lash strip so it keeps everything together and so that I can be sure that it's not gonna undo itself while I wear the lashes. So you are sticking these lashes on top of the original lash band, so they shouldn't be in the way when applying the lashes to your own lash. When removing the glue, you're going to have to hold onto the lash quite firmly, but be careful as well, and do not remove the lash glue with makeup remover. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if there's any other videos that you would need a tutorial on, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. God bless.